guys, welcome back to this tutorial where I'll be teaching everybody the general layout and overlay of Unturned once you launch the official game. Basically you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. Exit is obviously leaving the game, and you got Play, Survivors, Configuration, and Workshop. Play, if you click on this button, which we will go over first, you'll come up with a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more buttons. Tutorial, single player, matchmaking, lobby, servers, connection, or connect, and then back. Back's obviously your back button. Tutorial, if you click on that, it's going to launch up this little tutorial that you guys can do. I will actually be making a video on this here in a little bit, but for now, we are going to focus more on the rest of these options in the middle. So single player, obviously your single player servers. Basically the way this works is these are the maps: Germany, PEI, Russia, Washington, Yukon. If you have any other workshop servers that you install specifically from the Unturned workshop, they're going to show up here. Like I have Estonia and Legacy. Created maps are basically maps that are no longer, okay, well, they do actually still have them, but they're now switched over to workshop maps. But these are maps that are basically limited on how long they're going to be in the game. These maps are built with players other than the official developer of Unturned. So the people that submit these maps to the official Unturned developer. So right now we have Belgium, Canyon Arena, France, and Hawaii. And these maps will also show up not only in single player, but also you'll see some of these maps on multiplayer. Now, with that being said, if you wanted to, let's say, join PEI, you just click on it. You can easy, normal, hard, and that's your options there. You can enable and disable cheats. Advanced options, these are really advanced. You don't need to learn these right now, but after you start learning the game a little bit more, you'll come to a understanding of how the advanced options work. Reset world, basically click on the world. These worlds load one at a time, so basically anything I've done on the PEI map as of right now is still on there. So if I click play, you will notice that when I join the game, if I join the game, that I will have a overlay where I've already been on this server. I will have already been playing on here, and it seems as if I've built a base. So this is basically one of the bases I've built on this game. So if my bad guys, I believe it's at give 520. Yes. So single player mode is at give 520. Multiplayer mode, they have basically set it so that 520, or the at is actually dash I. Dash I runs through the console as at, so you can do the same idea with dash I command in multiplayer. So dash I 520 would do the same thing in multiplayer mode, not single player, as at give 520 in single player mode. So single player, I just did that, I got another rocket. So as you can see, now I can blow up this base here, and if I exit by clicking the exit button, and I go back to single player, and I click on this world and hit reset world, it will actually completely reset the entire world. So that base should no longer be there, my health should be set full, everything. Yes, see? So that's basically a little bit of background on single player. Now, let's go into matchmaking. Matchmaking I have yet to experiment with for the most part. However, I do understand how it works. Basically, you have a list of arena maps and Washington arena maps. I mean, all these maps here that are PvP, set for PvP specifically. Now, what Unturned does is it goes in and it looks at your rank and how many hours you play Unturned. So right now it says comparing 22 ideal servers, best match players, 19 out of 24, ping 46. That's really good. So yes, if I click on I'm feeling lucky, it'll actually put me in a server with people of my own rank, which I've never done this before. This is vanilla. So that's how that works. I don't know too much about this, so that's the basics of that. Apparently, it's a Panda Hut server because I'm MVP plus Chrome. No kits. Yes. Anyways, we're gonna exit out of this. So yes, that's how that button works. Matchmaking. Oops. So, nope. Lobby. So lobby is basically this is the quickest way to join a game with friends that you intend to play Unturned with. So basically the way this works is you go into here, you click on lobby, now invite your friends. So let's say I invite someone else. They will now pop up and you will be the leader. So any game you go into, which will bring us to our next button, which is servers. Any game in the servers list you go into, let me just search it like this. Your friends will also follow you automatically. Okay, so now this brings us to the next button on the list, which is servers. Servers, they have a very complicated filter system down here that really isn't that complicated. However, a lot of people that I tend to help out don't understand how the filter system works. I'm going to tell you guys how it works, plain and simple, right now. You'll never have any other problem with it ever again. So, normally, this is kind of what yours will look like. It'll kind of just, it'll be vac secure, empty, blah, blah, blah. Set everything to any. Okay, any combat, any workshop, any map, any perspective. Vac secure, set that to any vac. Any attendance, any battle eye, any mode, any password, any plugins, and any cheats. What this will do is, let's say your buddy tells you to join a server. Hey, I can't find a server. It's not showing up. You know, I hear it all the time. People cannot find the server because the filtering system is disallowing you to find that specific server. You set all of these options to any, it is going to unlimit the amount of servers you can search. So if it is on the Unturned community or on the Unturned server list, you can find that server no matter what because everything is set to any. So let's say just search up Panda Hut. So I'm just going to search up Panda because Panda Hut, by the way, guys, if you haven't joined Panda Hut and you plan on playing Unturned, I'm going to plug them right now. Please join Panda Hut. It is one of the best, if not the best, server hosting for Unturned that is out there. My opinion. It's all I play, all I stream. As you can see right here, they've got, what, 1, 2, 3 servers that are completely loaded with people. 19 out of 24, 20 out of 24, 22 out of 24, and that is 3 servers is just the beginning. You got all these other servers that have people and more servers. They even have an event server, which is new. Haven't even seen a server yet. So they're adding more and more servers to their list. So yeah, pandahut.net. Search that up in the search button. It works. It don't matter. Whatever server you want to find. There's a server called Freezer. I've played on that before. So Freeze, F-R-E-E-Z, should pop up. This is going to take a little bit longer though because they're in like the United Kingdom instead of the United States, so their servers are slow. But there's Freeze servers. Here they all are. So yes, that is how you search for Unturned servers. Now, keep in mind, you have to click, so Panda Hut, for example, if you type in Panda down here to search the server, you need to click Internet before to allow you to search. If you re-click on this, it's basically like clicking go on Google. So this will allow you to search it now. You just got to keep clicking on that. Alright, and then the last button we have to review on this tutorial is connect. So go to connect, simple. I've never actually used this very much. So here's the IP. Apparently kitpvp pandahut.net I guess is one that I already have in here. So you put the IP address in, you put the port in. If it has a password, you put the password. If not, leave a password blank, and then you can connect. So as you can see there, pandahut number 16 OP kits comes right up, and then you can click join. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you guys out in the long run. I know a lot of people are having problems with Unturned and just don't understand everything yet. That's okay, I'll be pushing out more tutorials explaining more stuff. If you guys would like to see any tutorials explaining something, let me know in the description down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Go.